Hey guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Wantable unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a while, and it's probably because my last box didn't even come. I moved from 2 different states to back to my hometown, and they shipped it out on December 29th, but they shipped it to my old address, and it literally took 27 days to get a notice from the post office saying that it was here. And I went to the post office, and then they said it was going to be like an extra $13 to even pick up the package. And now granted that the clothes are kind of expensive, so I'm not paying an extra $13 to pick it up. So I just sent it back. But I did call Wantable, and they actually gave me a credit from that box. So now they sent me a new box, and I'm excited to see what I got. So let's just get into it. Here's my bundle. We'll see. Okay, this is cute. This is totally my style. It's got a camo sleeves and white top, and I really like this. I'll probably be keeping this if it's not too expensive. Let's see, $42. What do you think now? For $42? Is this like a Target shirt for like $12.99? So, I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to try it on. Up next. Ooh. This is really cute. It's a sweatshirt. It has like a big slit up the front here. Hopefully you can see that. And then it has like these pretty embroideries on it. It probably looks grandma to you, but I kind of like it. It's $79.50. I don't think I really like it that much, but up next, I really do like wine color. So I'm kind of excited about this. It's just a cardigan. It's one of those ones with the sleeves are like, you know, the extra sleeve. I like this a lot. This is $65. I don't like it $65 worth. I want them to send me things that are $50 and under. And I put cheaper is better on there, but they apparently think everybody has money and they can pay $65 for a cardigan. This is why I feel like I haven't gotten Wantable in a while, because I'm just cheap. That's what it is. I'm just cheap. This is Wantable brand, and it's a fit and flare, all lace, and this is actually something that I would totally wear. $58. This is really cute. But here's the thing, I'm in my 30s. This is like somebody in high school would wear this. So maybe I won't keep it, although I'm sure I'm going to put it on and it's going to look damn cute because they always do. But I really need to grow up and get into the older, more mature style, which I've never had and probably never will, but I can attempt to do that. Is this mature though? Because like, this is really amazing. A green cargo jacket. I've actually wanted one of these for a long time. And then last up they have 2 sets of jeans. This one's $89. This one has a tag ripped off because it's probably even more expensive than $89. But I will try them on, but you know, these are just typical jeans. For $89, I'm going to American Eagle and getting 2 pairs. And I don't even like to pay American Eagle prices, but I mean, I would do that instead of buying these for $89. They look really big anyways, so. Then the other pair, which are skinny. I think these ones are boyfriend. Let's not rip it because I can't keep it. These are just plain old skinny jeans. All Alright guys, well that's it for my Wantable box. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.